Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can change our Android phone's name that will be shown on the other devices when our phone is available to connect using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, and other methods. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then after that, you can scroll down until you find About Phone and just tap on About Phone option. And if you want to change your phone's name, you can simply click on Edit button right here. And I'm going to edit my phone's name like this. Just type the Android phone's name, and after you are done, you can click on Done right here. Alright, and now our Android phone's name has been changed, and that's how we can change our Android phone's name. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.